add another observation. Carrying on from the last video, we're now going to do another observation capture. We open up the calibration window again and go back into the capture section. And here we have a button called Capture Next Step. This step is different compared to previously when we had tracking information. Without any position or rotation data, we have to capture a translation image to link between the different zoom and focus steps. For this translation image, it is important that the camera is not looking at the calibration screen straight on. We need to look at the screen at an angle higher than 50 degrees for a flat screen. If we don't, the system will remind you with an error message. In our current situation, with a curved LED wall, you can get away with a slightly lower angle than this. We can go into the settings and adjust the min graze angle non-tracking setting. First, we need to click on the Capture Next Step button, and we can then press Capture for the first part of this translation image. For the second part of this, it is extremely important not to move the screen or the position or rotation of the camera. Only change the zoom and focus as prompted to by the on-screen message. So now let's change the zoom value to 20%. The tool has a readout at the top for your reference. And once we're happy with the new zoom focus value, we can click on Capture Linked. A prompt will show up to inform us that we have now changed the zoom focus values, and we can click OK to start with a new observation for a new zoom focus step. Now we can click on Continue and do the same steps as before for the new observation at zoom 20%, focus 0%. Again, I'm going to speed up the video while we go through all these captures. After a few captures, we can click on the play button and run this calibration and overwrite the previous lens profile. If we now go to the Observations tab, we can now see that our lens profile has now got observations done at 2 different zoom and focus steps. You can then repeat the same process as described here to fill out your lens profile.